Hello students, good morning. Today in this session we are going to learn basic etiquette. Okay, etiquette is nothing but a set of rules or regulations, okay, that defines a person, his moral values or his polite behavior, the way or the manners and the way he behaves, the way he handles the situation according to the where he is, okay, according to the place where he is and how his behavior should be. Okay, today we are going to see some basic etiquette, that is a set of rules or regulation a person must follow. So here it is of at different situations: basic etiquette at classroom, uniform, respect and cooperation to others, etiquette at playground and at transport. So let us begin. Open your computer textbook and turn to page number 28, children. You are a student, you go to school and sit in a classroom to learn. It is your right and the right of other students too. Your teacher needs your cooperation in order to help you and the other kids to learn well. You should follow certain etiquette in classroom. So as I told you students, you are a student and many other students will be coming to the school every day, your classmates. Okay, so let us see what are the basic things you should follow at school, that is particularly in your classroom. Be on time for class, don't be noisy or disturb the class, pick your own litter, pay attention to your teacher and do what you are asked. So you should be punctual, don't come to the class lately, okay, you should be early and you should be on time to the class. Okay, don't make any noise in the class and create disturbance in the class. Listen to your teacher and do the assigned work. When the teacher is talking, don't talk or answer behind his or her back. So do not interrupt the teacher when she is talking. You can ask her your doubts when she is done with her saying. Cooperate with other kids. Don't fight with anyone and don't push or pull anyone. Don't snatch or steal anything from anyone. So we should be good to other students as well. Cooperate well with them. Okay, be friendly and good to them. Don't fight with each other. Okay, do not steal others' things. Okay, so pick up your own litter. Do not throw your any rough papers or the pencil shave here and there. You should throw that in the dustbin. So these are the things you must follow in your classroom. Let us see about uniform. Wear your uniform with pride and walk tall. If there is no uniform, abide by the school's dress code. Don't dress in a sloppy manner. You are a representative of the school. Give a good account of yourself. So you should wear neat and tidy uniform. Okay, polish your shoes, comb your hair, present yourself in a very polite way, polite manner. Okay, you are a school student. You should account yourself in a respective manner. Then respect your elders. We should be always respectful to our elders, our parents, teachers, okay, as well as to our elder sisters, brothers, whoever might be. Okay, we should be respectful to them. Raise your hand during a class to interrupt your teacher. Never speak disrespectfully to any school authority. So if you want to say anything, just raise your hand. If you want to ask anything to your teacher, raise your hand. Do not interrupt or disturb in between. Don't sleep at your desk. Don't get up or move around during a lecture. So when the teacher is teaching a lesson in the class, don't get up and move here and there. Then do not sleep in the classroom on your desk. Pay attention when the teacher is saying something. So you should listen to them carefully. What is she saying? Okay. Then do not make any disturbance in the class, talking with others, doing something, getting busy in some other things. Do not do that in the classroom. So cooperate with others. Turn to page number 29, children. Respect your fellow students and their area. Don't take things belong to others without their permission. If you want anything, you should ask your friend and you should borrow from them. Okay. Do not steal things. Okay. If it is not yours, you should not touch that. Okay. Don't take others' belongings. Respect your friends and students also. Ask them politely if you can use it, and if they decline, respect their wishes. If you want anything, you should politely ask them, will you please give your book to me? If they are not willing to give, you should not force them. Don't force them. Okay. Always speak in a respectful and polite manner. How you should be, how you are words should be, it should be very politeful. Do not talk in a rude or rough manner. Then goofing around and teasing each other should be restricted. Do not tease the other students in the classroom. Okay. Don't argue with your fellow students about anything. Okay, don't argue with your with other students with talking this or that. Do not create any silly arguments. Okay, if you have anything, any issue, you should go approach your teacher. Say to your teacher, do not argue or make fights. If you and a fellow student disagree, take your argument to the teacher or any other school authority. Hitting, slapping, kicking, any forcible physical interaction with fellow students is not allowed. Okay, if you are having any issue with other children, you should go to your class teacher or should go to any other elder person in the school, that is any school authority. Okay, hitting, slapping, kicking, this should not be done in the classroom or in the school premises. Okay, so you need to be very politeful while playing also when you are in the playground. Being aggressive is acceptable, but it should be within limits. Hitting, pushing, showing, tripping and biting are unacceptable. Always play by the rules. So whenever you get into the playground to play, follow the rules there. Do not hit, do not slap, do not kick the other children, do not bite. It is not at all agreeable or acceptable. It is not good to do these things, children. Don't cheat. Report any cheating to playground authorities when it occurs. Don't try to push your fellow students. So in the playground you are allowed to do exercise or play something, to do any physical activity. So while doing this, do not push your fellow students, that is your friends. Never make anyone feel bad about themselves. Never make them to do things they don't want to do. Okay, never ask the other person to do something which you don't want to do. Okay, never force them to do something. If they are not willing, you just stop it. Don't force them to do that. Okay. Pick up all playground equipment as well, all personal belongings after completion of the game. So when you are allowed to play something, if you are playing a ball, okay, after the end of the game, at the end of the game, you should carry all the belongings and place it properly. Okay, do not throw here and there in the playground and leave the ground and go to your classroom. Do not do this. Transport. So this basic etiquette, okay, this behavior, this polite manners or this polite behavior is necessary when you are in transport. At the transport also, you must be on your best behavior when traveling in school bus or any other means of transport. So you have to follow some rules and regulations when you are in your school bus or other means of transport. Don't disturb transport officials or other passengers while traveling. Be respectful to everyone, especially adults who are traveling along with you. No pushing, fighting or yelling inside the bus. No foul language, no swearing when you are in transport. So do not use any foul language, do not use any bad words, do not kick, do not fight with each other in the bus, do not keep your head outside, do not keep your hand outside the window of the bus. Don't peep out of the bus when it is running. Always offer your seat to the elderly first, then to any other adult who is standing. Okay, students, then when some elder person is standing, you should offer your seat to that person. So these are some rules and these are some basic moral behavior. This is the most basic moral behavior you should follow at the classroom, playground, and your cooperation with others at the transport when you are in a journey, when you are transporting, or whether it is a school bus. So these are some good manners or polite manners or the behavior you have to follow. Thank you, students. Let's meet in next video.